starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe
Mahal, God knows how long we've waited for this moment. Sinubok man tayo ng distansya, kinaya natin. Sabi nga nila, LDR is not for everyone. But in God's grace, it was meant for us. Kinaya natin at kakayanin pa natin ang lahat ng darating.
on this day, I promise forever. On this
Wow!
I surrender.
Wow, Tita Judy!
Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will love
Arnie Bron Manimtim, tinatanggap mo ba si Jodel Lasaga Delgado bilang kabiyak ng iyong puso at nangangakong pakamamahalin at pagkaiingatan?
Yes, Father.
Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's breathing. The story of my life is all about.
Galing mo pa rin mamaya, ha?
Oo, alam mo ha?
If you feel the cold.
Ay, ang ganda. Thank you so much. Love you. Thank you.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word I say. On this
Finally, this day already came. Sabi ko lang, hindi ako magsasawang piliin ka sa araw-araw na dadaan sa akin. Promise you na lagi kitang mamahalin sa lahat ng oras. Iintindihin kita kahit sa panahon na hindi tayo nagkakaroon.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand, like God planned. Please say you'll always look at me this way, like on this day.
Thank you for waiting for me. Thank you for all your sacrifices for our relationship. As independent woman, nasanay ako na salinin lahat. Pero ngayon, hindi na ako nag-iisa. Katuwang na kita sa bawat laban, sa bawat saya at sa bawat pangarap. Natutuparin natin ang sabay.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
Kamusta ka naman? May langgam siya. Yay! Mrs. Manimtim!
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak.
magsasawang alagaan at suportahan ka sa mga plano mo in the future. Di ako alis ka na. Sabayin natin nga, harapin yung pagsubok dati sa atin. Ito yung pahinga ko. Nanang ko. Ayun. Forever. Mahal kita.
Wow! Thank you! Mahal. Ganda. Thank you. Love you.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to won't feel lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down. I pray, oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true.
Tingin kay Bunso.
Jodibel Lasaga Delgado, tinatanggap mo ba si Arnie Braun Manimtim bilang kabiyak ng iyong puso at nangangakong mamahalin at magpapasakop?
Yes, Father.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
I vow to love you in every season of our lives. I vow to stand by your side and support your dreams. I vow to hold your hand in our hardest moments, just like we always did, reminding each other that we can get through anything. I vow to face life with you with God at the center. Mahal kita ngayon at habang buhay.